When it comes to application tracking system or hiring new employees for your organization, we have leveraged our platform and Copilot to help you with the task. So let's say we want to hire a new employee. First, you go to the hiring module under New Hire. You get this form where you define the job you want to hire for. Let's say the job title is going to be Sales Director, and we want this job for the sales department. Location is going to be at the main headquarters. Employment type, let's go with full-time. And we want a manager level. Work type, we'll pick hybrid. And for the hiring manager, we'll pick one of the existing employees from the list. Recruiter or recruiting agency, if you are using any agency. If not, you can leave it blank. The open date for the job posting. So let's say from today until the end of the month. Right? And salary, we're going to say between $25,000 and $40,000 depending on experience. Now, once you have filled all the details required for the job description, you have two options. You can either use AI and generate a job description for whatever we have specified here, or you can enter the job description manually. If you have already prepared that in a Word document or PDF, you can upload it. Let's look at how Copilot can analyze the form and generate the job description based on the information we have provided. So let's click Generate Job Description with AI. It will come back with a fully tailored job description based on the information we have in our form. Amazing, right? So if we look at this job description closely, we can see that the job description is very specific to what we have asked it for here. So the sales director will lead the sales department at the main headquarters. This is the location I've specified here. He will oversee all the sales operation driving strategic growth. Key responsibilities, based on the job title, it understands that these will be the key responsibilities. Develop and execute sales strategies, lead and mentor, manage sales teams, establish and maintain strong relationship with the client, and so on. Required qualification. Again, Copilot is smart enough to understand what qualification is required for the job we have specified here. Proven experience in senior sales leadership role, strong track record of achieving sales, targeting, and driving team performance, and so on. Nice to have experience and working in hybrid work environment as we have specified here, experience with the CRM systems, advanced degree in business or sales. Working model, this is a full-time hybrid position based at our main headquarters. Okay. Compensation and benefits. This is the salary range we have provided, application process, and so on, right? So now you can edit this if required. So let's say we don't want to disclose a salary. Okay, so I make small changes here to the job description and then post this job. So when I save, the job is defined as a draft. If I go to all hires, here we have all the jobs that we have in the pipeline. From the draft one, live application, live jobs. Draft are jobs that I'm still working on, right? Live are the jobs which have been posted to LinkedIn and other job portals. As soon as we start receiving applications, or CVs, the job will move to the application received. And then from here, you can start shortlisting and so on. The ATS module will help you with shortlisting. So we use a different Copilot agents which will analyze all the applications received and compare them with the job description and come back with a score based on what you have in your job description. You can also start sending teams invite for interviewing, and you go through all the stages. Job offer, offer made, offer accepted, or hired complete. And you have a nice Kanban board where you can see the status of everything. If I click on the job that we have just created a minute ago, I get all the information here. This is where you're going to start seeing the CVs received and their respective scores and the CV extracted key information. And you go through the different parts of the process, which we will cover in separate video. Thank you so much.